Welcome everyone. This is going to be a quick tutorial on using the foam roller to do some shoulder and chest opening exercises. For the first exercise, you're going to lay parallel to your spine on the foam roller and bring your arms out to a T and just allow them to melt into the ground. You can also bring your arms up into a Y position to get deeper into a different part of the pec muscles. To work through some larger range of motion, you can do a snow angel motion as far as you can go comfortably, moving your arms slowly up and down and sliding them along the floor. You can bend your elbows if that's more comfortable to you. This next exercise is a great way to work into some shoulder mobility. Place your hands behind your head and bring your elbows in towards each other and then back down towards the ground. Only move as far as you can go comfortably and never cause any pain. Mobility in the thoracic spine also helps to open up the chest and shoulders. To get an extension stretch with the foam roller, place it perpendicular to your spine, approximately the level of your shoulder blades. Cradle your head and gently roll back as far as you feel comfortable. You might hear a few pops and cracks here, and that's totally normal. You can also use the foam roller in a child's pose position to roll back and forth and get deeper into the lat muscles. And of course, if that's too much for you today, ditch the foam roller altogether and just enjoy a nice child's pose stretch. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you check out empoweryourwellness.online for more great fitness and injury prevention tips.